Ever find yourself standing on your front porch, juggling groceries or trying to corral your kids while you frantically dig for your house keys? It's a frustrating, outdated ritual that we've all dealt with, but with the Yamiry keyless entry smart lock, it's one you can finally leave in the past. This isn't just about securing your home. It's about making your daily arrival effortless, secure, and incredibly convenient. This lock is a total powerhouse of access options, designed to fit your life exactly how you need it. You can unlock your door in a split second using your fingerprint, enter a custom code on the backlit keypad, or even use the included physical key as a backup. Whether you're coming home from a run without pockets, letting a neighbor in while you're at work, or just tired of carrying around a bulky keychain, you have total control. The fingerprint reader is impressively fast and accurate, meaning you're inside your home in under a second with just a touch. Beyond the convenience, the security features are top-notch. The built-in auto-lock feature ensures your door is never accidentally left unlocked behind you. And the sleek, modern design with the integrated handle looks fantastic on any front door. It's built to withstand the elements, so you don't have to worry about it holding up against rain or sun. And the installation is surprisingly simple. It's designed to replace most standard doorknobs with just a screwdriver and a few minutes of your time. You're getting peace of mind without the hassle of professional installation or expensive smart home hubs. It's snappy, reliable, and it adds that professional, smart home feel to your entryway the moment you install it. If you're ready to simplify your routine and upgrade your home security to the 21st century, click the link below for the best price.